हेलो नमस्कार, खुश रहो बच्चों। आई एम जेवीएन डॉक्टर शाहनवाज आलम, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर ऑफ ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर. Today we discuss about most important concept of Indian economy. Today topic is trend and direction of FDI. The historical background of foreign direct investment in India can be traced back with the establishment of East Indian Company of Britain. British capital came to India during the colonial era of in British Britain in India. After the Second World War, Japanese companies entered the Indian market and enhanced their trade with India. Yet UK remained the most dominant investor in India. Further, after the independent issues relating to foreign capital operation of multinational companies gain attention of the policymakers, keeping in the mind national interest policy maker designed by the foreign direct investment policy with aims at foreign direct investment as a medium of acquiring advanced technology and to mobilize the foreign exchange resources. With With time and as per economic and political regime, there have been change, change in the FDI foreign direct investment policy too. The industrial policy of 1965 allowed the multinational companies to venture through technical collaboration in India. Therefore, the government adopted the liberal attitude by the allowing more frequent equity participation to foreign enterprises and to accept the equity capital in technical collaboration. But due to significant outflow of foreign reserve in the form of remittances of dividend, profits, royalties, etc., and government had to adopt a stagnant foreign policy in 1917. During this period, the government adopted the selective and high restrictive foreign policy and far foreign capital type of foreign direct investment and ownership of foreign companies was connected. Government set up foreign investment board and enacted foreign exchange regulations act in order to regulate flow of foreign capital and foreign direct investment flow to India. The, so- the soaring of oil price continued, low exports and determinations in balance of payment position during 1980s forced the government to make necessary change in the foreign policy, thus resulting in the partial liberalization of Indian economy. The government introduced reform in the industrial sector aimed to increasing competitiveness, efficiency, and growth industry through the stable and pragmatic and non-discriminatory policy for FDI flow. In this critical phase, Indian economy, the government of India, with the help of World Bank and International Monetary Fund, introduced the macroeconomic stabilized structure adjustment program. As a result of these reforms, India opened indoor to FDI inflow and adopted a more liberal foreign policy in order to restore confidence of foreign investors. Further, under the new foreign investment policy, Government of India constituted main function was to invite and facilitate foreign investment through single window systems from the Prime Minister office. The foreign equity gap was raised to 51% for existing companies. Government had allowed the use of foreign brand names and uh, domestically produced product which was restricted earlier. India also became the member of MIGA multilateral investment guarantee agency for protections for investment. With the initiation a new economic policy in 1991 and subsequent reform process. India has witnesses a change in the flow and direction of foreign direct investment into the country. This is mainly due to removal of restriction and regulated practice. The foreign direct investment in India increased from a $129 million in 1991 to 40885 billion in March 2005, an increase about 316.9 times. However, the country far behind the companies to some developing countries like China in so far as growth trend of FDI is concerned. There has been quite impressive growth of foreign direct investment flow into the country during this period. However, negative growth is noticed during the period of 1998 and 2000, primarily due to the falling the share of major investor country. Steep fall or approval by 55.7 in 1998 and compared to 1997. However, industrial sector like food processing industry, textile, etc., which were once important sector attending the large foreign direct investment, have given way to modern industrial sector like electronic and electrical equipment, etc. Thank you.